always been a part of who I am. Everything I have known, every seed of greatness you have sown. Through good and bad, your love has watched me grow. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you'll always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your loving smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way, in my heart you'll always stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay.
Your towering presence was always inspiring. Your reassuring words was stress busting. Your constant support was highly motivating. Dear sister, under your guidance and with your unflinching support, Carmel carved a niche for itself, academically as well as in all core scholastic areas. You did everything you could to help your students shine. Music in Carmel also reached to its glory under your flagship. Morning assemblies would have been dull without your presence. Students used to wait eagerly for your arrival just to hear your words. Your scoldings were taken as a token of love by all your children. Last but far from the least, your bunk dance was icing on the cake. With a very heavy heart, I bid adieu to one of the best principals Carmel has ever had. I would just like to say that you should have stayed a bit longer. I will miss you, sister. We will miss you. Carmel will miss you. We love you, sister.
Dear sister, thanks for being the most fascinating principal one could have ever asked for literally blessing our school lives with such beautiful memories, for being a tree and always letting us in the shadow of love and care. And above everything, thanks for always being there. Today, or even after several years, whenever I look back and tell how my school used to be, you're going to be that one prime character of our stories. I just wish I could once again scream and ask who has the best principal in the town. And I still know that students are going to cheer Carmel, Carmel. I wish and I hope you always stay healthy and your beautiful smile never fades away. I'll miss you a lot. And I hope I did not make any grammatical mistakes.
Dear sister, you have a really special place in our hearts. You did not only taught us how to carry ourselves in school, but also how to fight daily in our challenging lives. Thanking would not be really enough for your constant efforts you have made in making Carmel Lucknow what it is today. Your constant guidance, your constant support, and your unconditional love. I wish for your good health and peaceful life. Thank you, sister, for making our school life so memorable. You're undoubtedly the best. Lucknow will miss you.
You know, when I entered college, there were students who used to discuss how okayish their school life was, and then there was me boasting about how we had the coolest principal in town, all the other schools were jealous of, and how I had the time of my life in my 11th and 12th standard. All because of you. You are such a phenomenal person, the boss lady who has groomed me into ways that I am proud of. You taught me to take challenges, to take risks, to be bold, to make plans, to execute them, and to believe in myself. You gave us the opportunity to work at our best potential. You know, what we feel for you can just not be put into words. It breaks my heart to imagine that the next time I enter Carmel and peep through the principal's door, you will not be sitting there with a bright smile on your face, calling me inside to ask what I was up to, and that the next time I leave, I cannot enter back to find you and to tell you that I love you too. But I do. I love you a lot. You are the bestest, super cool principal one can ever get. Thank you. And we'll miss you.